In this video, I'll show you the latest way to connect Figma to Claude AI. First, open your browser and go to claude.ai. Sign in with your account, including your Google account if that's what you use. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or initials. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to the Connectors section. This is where Claude manages all its third-party integrations. Click Browse Connectors to see everything that's available. In the search bar, type Figma. The official Figma connector will show up. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now see an option to connect Figma directly, no plan upgrade required. Click Connect, and Claude will walk you through a quick authorization flow. Since you're signed in with your Google account, the process is even smoother. Just confirm the permissions Figma's requesting, make sure you're granting access to the right projects and files, and hit Allow. Within seconds, Figma is connected to Claude. Once it's linked, you can start referencing your Figma files directly inside Claude. Whether you're reviewing designs, iterating on layouts, or getting feedback, it all happens right here in your AI workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.